Welcome back, everybody. This was a perfect day to go do some practice IFR approaches because the ceilings were anywhere between 800 feet to 1,500 feet, and I could do the whole flight plan, the whole flight in IFR conditions. And therefore, I followed the flight plan leaving Fernandina up to Brunswick, Golden Isles, in southeast Georgia, back to Jacksonville, and finally destination being Fernandina. In the remarks section, I stated that I wanted to do some practice approaches at Brunswick as well as Jacksonville. My goal was to do an ILS in Brunswick, ILS 07, and ILS in Jacksonville, back to Fernandina, do an RNAV 04. Winds were pretty strong from the northeast, so 07, 04, and 08 in Jacksonville were good runways to do approaches on. However, I got my clearance on the ground. I got the clearance from Jack's approach. And the problem is that although clearance was given by Jack's approach, my flight crossed air traffic control sectors and went into Jack's center for southeast Georgia. If my flight had been all within one particular sector, for example, Jack's approach or Jack's center, then the clearance I would have received would have been very likely what I got to fly, but that didn't turn out to be the case since I crossed sectors. The other thing that happened was that it was a very, very busy weekend. It was a Friday just before Florida-Georgia game, and there was airplanes coming in and out as you wouldn't believe. And you'll hear a very, very busy and capable air traffic controller handling a zillion airplanes, a zillion balls up in the air, and without dropping any one of them except for possibly one. You'll see which one that was. He caught it just in time, and you'll like this guy. He's very, very good, very capable. I hope you like what you see, and if you do, please subscribe. See you up in the air.
Welcome aboard, everybody. Just warming up the engine here, then taxiing onto runway 4 where I can do my run-up. And before I take off, I'm going to get my clearance on the phone since ceilings are about 1,200. And we'll be listening to the AWOS right now to make sure we're good.
Port. Automatic weather observation. 1615 Zulu. Weather. Wind 030 at 12. Gusts 18. Visibility 10. Ceiling 1000. Overcast. Temperature 22 Celsius. Dew point 19. Altimeter 3019.
Okay, so it's actually a little bit lower than I had said. It's not 1200, it's 1000, and 3019 is the altimeter setting. I've got my flight plan already filed with ATC. I just got the confirmation of that and the actual route that they gave me, which is what I asked for. So that's nice. I put remarks there. I want to do approaches and an ILS approach, practice approach into Brunswick, as well as a practice approach into Jax. I've got my flight plan loaded up and going to BQK first. I'm going to go direct to it because if I go direct, then any approach I select will be related to that airport. It's either direct or destination, so I've just made it direct here. Fernandina Beach traffic, Mooney 495 Charlie Papa, taxiing to runway 04 via Alpha and Delta. Alright, let's call him up. Nice to have a Bluetooth headset. Unfortunately, you guys can't hear. But let me get my clearance. Yes, sir. Good morning. Good afternoon. Mooney 495 Charlie Papa on the ground at Fernandina, ready for departure on 04, looking for my IFR clearance. I'll be ready to go in about 2 minutes after 2 minutes after you give me the clearance. November 495 Charlie Papa. Yes, sir. Ready to copy. Okay, Mooney 495 Charlie Papa cleared to Fernandina as filed. Upon entering controlled airspace 040, 3000, 127.05517, squawking. And did you note I want to do a practice approach ILS at Brunswick as well as Jacksonville? 5 Charlie Papa, release now, void if not off in 5 minutes. And current time 1631. Thank you. All right. So I'm good to go, 3,000 feet. Entering controlled airspace, fly heading 040, which is what I'll be flying. Controlled airspace, 700 feet. AGL here, which is basically 700 MSL. Time is 1632. Fernandina Beach traffic, Mooney 405 Charlie Papa, taxi and runway 04, departing 04, northbound departure. Fernandina Beach traffic, Mooney 405 Charlie Papa, departing 04, northbound departure, Fernandina. Okay, I'm getting on the right runway. Engine instruments are good. Airspeed's alive. Gears coming up. Up's coming up. All right, let's switch frequencies.
American 1753, got traffic is 12 to 12:30, 6 miles southwest bound at 8. You got traffic at 1 o'clock and 5 miles northwest bound at 9. I'll get you back to the base in just a second.
Roger.
Jax approach, good afternoon, Mooney 495 Charlie Papa, 1000, 040.
Pound Jax on the line, who was it?
Mooney 495 Charlie Papa is heading 040, just departed Fernandina, 1200, climbing 3000.
495 Charlie Papa, Jax departure, ID climbing 3000.
3000, 5 Charlie Papa, current heading 040.
American 1753, descend and maintain 2000.
2000, American 1753.
Flagship 531, you up?
Hey, firm, we didn't know if you could hear us. We called a couple times. We're up 16,000.
A little busy. Flagship 531, thanks for your patience. Altimeter is 3019, plan on the ILS 31. Zulu's on the ATIS, descend and maintain 10, 10,000.
All right, down to 10,000. We have Zulu, Flagship 531.
Find on our 5 Charlie Papa, direct contact, go to BQK.
5 Charlie Papa, direct BQK.
Archer Southwest 1981.4, climbing 3000.
That was a 1980 Jax departure, radar contact, climbing 215,000, turn left heading 360.
15,000, 360 Southwest 1980.
Jax approach, foothills 992 out of 16 for 12 at O'Day with uniform.
Foothills 992 Jax, thank you. Altimeter 3019 across, O'Day at 12,000, then descend and maintain 4,000.
O'Day at 12, then 4, foothills 992.
Alright, 32 Echo Delta, radar service terminates, center is not able to handle the VFR, so radar service terminates, block VFR for exchange crew.
83 Echo Delta over to VFR, squawk at 1200. Good day.
And now we're 95886, same for you, sir. Center's not able to handle the VFR traffic. Radar service terminates, squawk 1200 for exchange crew.
Roger, have a good day.
I got it leaned out.
5 Charlie Papa, and they're not going to take approaches. Turn full of 180. 180, center's not doing approaches up at Golden Isles today.
Okay, 180, 5 Charlie Papa. How about 1 into Jax?
No, sir. Saturated right now. Can't do it to Jax either. American 1753, turn left heading 150.
150, American 1753.
7888, contact Jax approach on 127.77.
2777, subway.
Jax approach, Blackbird 070, passing 7,000 for 15,000.
Flats on Jacks. JetBlue 1410 Jacks departure, radar contact, climb maintain 15,000, turn left heading 360.
They climbed to 15,000 and left heading 360, JetBlue 1410.
Southwest 1980, clear direct to Arnie, Arnie 2.
Direct to Arnie, Arnie 2, Southwest 1980.
Blackbird 070, passing 8,000 for 15,000.
Alright.
Blackbird 706, thank you, altimeter 3019er. Alright, we're stepping on each other, please stand by. Order 559er, Golf contact, back center. 57.
2757, 90 golf, thank you.
01 Tango, you're loud and clear, just stand by, altimeter 3019er.
Let's put the autopilot on.
Foothills 992, clear direct to Libby.
Direct Livy, Foothills 992.
5 Charlie Papa 3000 heading 180, requesting back to Fernandina.
5 Charlie Papa, roger, what is your approach request?
RNAV 04.
It's not going to work today.
Okay.
Got a turn from record 1753.
1736 for the marker, turn left heading 100, 2000, so establish code island.
Let me look at something
Clear
here.
dialer's runway, record 17.
Foothills 992, clear direct to Libby.
Could I get the spelling on that fix? Foothills 992.
L-I-B-B-Y.
Alright, thanks.
Okay, Mooney 495 Charlie Papa will take RNAV 13, circling 204.
5 Charlie Papa.
You're broken up. 5 Charlie Papa, didn't hear you.
Charlie Papa, turn right heading 290.
290, 5 Charlie Papa. They must have a lot of traffic taking off and landing.
Southwest 1980 Jackson, 13.
They told me that before I left the ground.
South 1980, good day.
Alright, let's load up.
Jacks, approach 993 Sierra Golf, leveling 12,000, uniform.
993 Sierra Golf Jacks, thank you, altimeter 3019, maintain 7,000, heading 160.
7,000, heading 160, 3 Sierra Golf.
Probably going to have me go to either a Kapu and course reversal or Hoopar, so I'll do Hoopar.
Next approach RB 599er Juliet, Golf with you at 3,000.
599 Juliet.
3,000.
3019.
At both.
019er.
Let me load up. Show approaches page. Load approaches page.
Charlie, climb maintain 12,000.
6 for 12,000, allow me to travel.
5 Charlie Papa, turn right heading of 320.
320, 5 Charlie Papa. You're sending me to Hoopar?
Nope, I'm back to you. Air America 1753, contact Tower 118.3.
Good day, sir.
Blackbird 070, contact Jack Center 133.7. JetBlue 1410, clear direct Crosby, Crosby 2.
Direct to Crosby, Crosby 2, JetBlue 1410.
And Foothills 992, flighting 180 for descent.
Heading 180 for descent, Foothills 992.
9 Juliet Golf, climb maintain 4,000.
Golf, 734.
Check approach Cherokee 1750, Tango 3 double 3,500.
1750 Tango Jacks approach, altimeter 3019er.
39.
Capo. Load approach.
Foothills 992, descend to maintain 2,000.
Down to 2,000, Foothills 992.
I've got you about 23 to fly at that altitude. You going to be able to make the descent? You want me to widen you out? Or 5 Charlie Papa, traffic 1232 miles southwest, down Airbus 319, 5,000 for 4,000.
Have it inside, 5 Charlie Papa. Alright, let me see how much fuel I've chewed up. 4 gallons. I won't use any more, so 77.4, switch tanks.
99672 Juliet, I have amendment to clearance advisor to copy.
Well, let me slow down.
Ready to copy, 972 Juliet.
99672 Juliet, cleared present position, direct Ocala, Oscar Charlie Foxtrot, Varzi, Victor, Alpha, Romeo, Zulu, Echo, Lakeland, Lima, Alpha, Lima, then direct to X306. Hotel 992, do you need extended vector for the descent, sir?
Redirect, wake left, exit.
Negative, we'll get it, Foothills 992.
Roger. American 549, descend and maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000, American 549.
Charlie Papa, descend and maintain 2000.
2005 Charlie Papa, and I'm slowing down.
Contact Jack Center 124.67.
2467, JetBlue 1410.
Did you go plan on the ILS
Speed
32
breaks
circle
out.
5 Yankees on the ATIS.
500 feet a minute.
3 Sierra Golf, descend and maintain 3000. 3 Sierra Golf.
All right, what are my minimums? Circling 480.
For 4905 Charlie Papa, turn left heading of 230.
2305 Charlie Papa. All right.
Approach, were you calling 9 Juliet Golf?
Say again?
Your approach, were you calling 599 Juliet Golf?
Yeah, it's 599 Juliet Golf. You can plan on ILS 32 circle runway 5 advised ATC Yankee.
And if we could get the RNAV to 32, that'll be fine.
Full stop.
All right, let's go Richard P.
Roger. Hotel 992, 6 on the marker, turn left heading of 110, 2000 till established, put ILS runway 8.
Right, left heading 110, 2000 till established, clear for the ILS 8, Foothills 992.
American 349, fly heading of 255.
255, American 549.
One Tango, traffic's 1 o'clock, 15 miles southwest bound, and 1000 to climb at 12000 Golden Eagle.
2000.
Looking for traffic.
Eagle, this 2000.
Jack approach 9780 Alpha with you at 4000, head back through Herlong.
American 549, traffic's 1 o'clock, 7 miles on the base, will be crossing over in front of you at 4600 for 3000.
Circling 480. I'll probably break out.
Looking.
Maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000, American 549, look for traffic.
3 Sierra Golf. 5 miles southwest bound in a downwind, 2600, descending 2000, everybody's 319.
Negative contact, we're
Tune, destination AWAS.
Hotel 992, 170 or greater to the marker tower 183.
Tune, destination CTAP.
Jack approach 9780 Alpha with you at 4000.
9780, thanks for your base standby, altimeter is 3019.
3019, 9780 Alpha.
9672 Julie, contact Jack's approach 127.77.
All right, I passed it.
127.77,
3101 Tango, the traffic's no longer a factor, it's your 1230 and about 7 miles is the Golden Eagle at 12 now. 5 Charlie Papa, sorry about that, got busy. I'm going to have to box you back around. Turn right, turn all the way back around, heading 050.
Right, 050, 5 Charlie Papa, no problem, you're busy.
Sun Country 326 departure, radar contact, maintain 5000.
Maintain 5000.
Yep, they passed me.
Sun Country 326, turn left heading 350.
Left 350, so get 326.
808.
549, the Hawker traffic's now 1230 to 12 o'clock, 4 miles, 3000.
Traffic side, American 549, got a layer here between 2 and 3 is clear on the spot.
American 549, thank you. 3 Sierra Golf, reduce speed to 190 or less.
190 or less, 3 Sierra Golf. Jacksonville approach, bearing 100 Fox Mike 5000.
5 Charlie Pop, continue right turn, heading of 110, join the final.
110, 5 Charlie Papa, joining final.
Dr. Mike Jack's approach, altimeter 3019er.
9er, 100 Fox Mike.
American 549, speed 210 or less.
210 or less, full into 190.
Thanks, sir. 3101 Tango, contact Jackson 127.57.
127.57, 310 Tango.
All right.
42 Romeo Charlie,
I've got
contact
the
Jackson
approach
125.37.
activated.
2537.
So I selected the leg. I'm on heading mode. I'm gonna, okay, now I gotta switch to approach mode.
326, clear direct, Arnie 2.
On turning.
Arnie 2, selected 326.
Right, see Alpha, advise when you have the automated weather for the Herlong Airport.
Advise we have the weather for 978 Sierra Alpha.
You looking for there on F25?
I'll get back to you once we get the weather.
6 miles. Oh. On the full tank. Good. Speed brakes are going to be coming out shortly.
Delta, climbing out of Fernandina, 900 for 3,000.
573 Delta Sierra, Jackson departure, I didn't climb, maintain 5,000, altimeter 3019er.
Up to 5,000, 73 Delta.
Approach.
Southwest 2540 Jackson departure, radar contact, climb, maintain 15,000, turn left heading 360.
Under 15,000, heading 360, Southwest 2540.
573 Delta Sierra, radar contact.
Roger, 7 Delta.
Heading 110, you 5 from the marker, maintain 2,000 till established, put out less runway 8.
110, 2002 established to the marker, clear for the ILS 8, 3 takeoff.
American 549, turn left heading 140.
Hey, 140, American 549.
Jacksonville 425 Echo Romeo, checking in level 4,000.
425 Echo Romeo, Jackson, thank you, altimeter 3019er.
Make sure I stay on course here.
1750 Tango, the TFR for the over Mayport is going active. We're going to have to go over Craig to get around the TFR, so heading 200.
200 for 750 Tango.
And if you want to head towards Craig, that'll work for you.
Alright,
905 Charlie 5 cleared, RNAV runway, the 13 approach to the Fernandina Beach Airport, ready to service terminated. Cancel IFR on that telephone number I gave you earlier and change to advisory.
5 Charlie Papa cleared RNAV 13, and we'll call you on the ground.
Fernandina Beach Municipal Airport.
Automatic weather observation. 1651 Zulu. Weather, wind 030 at 12, gusts 20, visibility 10, ceiling 1000, overcast. Temperature 21 Celsius, dew point 18, altimeter 3019er.
Fernandina Beach traffic, Mooney 495 Charlie Papa 6, northwest, RNAV 13 approach, and circling to 04, Fernandina, full stop. Alright. Approach mode, it's doing it right, it's holding the course. Put my lights on. Should capture the glide path here shortly. Mixture's coming rich. So everything's set up, and as soon as I catch the glide path, here's coming down. And it just captured. Feet, I should be able to do base 04. All right, missed approach 3000. Alright, gears down and locked. That's under full tank. Flaps are set. Fire up 1080. Missed approach. Climb to 500. Left turn 3000. Fernandina Beach traffic, Mooney 405 Charlie Papa is at 3 nautical northwest, 1200, RNAV 13, circling 04, Fernandina, full stop. Looks like I'm going to be getting a base at 700 feet. Calm up.
4992 golf.
Checks approach, Mooney 495 Charlie Papa, canceling IFR.
495 Charlie Papa for cancellation received. Change to advisor. Thanks for you for the cancellation.
Welcome. Over to advisory 5 Charlie Papa. Alright. Flight director, speed brakes. Fernandina Beach traffic, Mooney 495 Charlie Papa is left base 04 Fernandina, full stop. Well, I thought I'd be able to play around up there, not really. So my landing speed would be, approach speed would be 75, but I'm going to go a little faster with the speed brakes on because of a gust factor there. Speed brakes will help me not float around and bounce around as much.
500.
All right, speed brakes coming out, full flaps. Fernandina Beach traffic, 2495 Charlie Papa, turning final 04 Fernandina, full stop. Alright, this is a good speed. Add a little bit of power here. Well, that turned out pretty good. Fernandina Beach traffic, Mooney 495 Charlie Papa, clear 04. Well, that was fun. Needed some flexibility there. They were really busy, and guess why? Florida-Georgia game in Jacksonville this weekend. So they'll keep traffic quite busy, and it's IFR, and they probably are a little short of people. Don't have enough people. Wish it told me about the approaches earlier, but we're unable to provide approaches. But got me up in the air, played in the clouds.
Well, as the Rolling Stones song goes, you can't always get what you want. So I didn't get to fly the ILS up at Brunswick nor in Jacksonville, but I did get to do some quick button pushing and moving around and heading changes and trying to figure out which approach was best, since they could not give me 04. And so I looked at the minimums for the circling approach on 1-3, and those are high enough, actually low enough, that were below the ceilings. So I picked 1-3 circling to 04, which 04 was definitely favoring the strong winds. And it worked out just fine. I actually had a good time. I hope you did too. See you next video. Thanks for watching.